Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming MIUI is current and both apps are installed so Split works reliably. Once done, open the first app you want in Split. Choose one that supports multi-window, like Chrome or Messages. Now, access the Recent Apps screen by tapping the square button or using the gesture. This puts you in the right place to invoke Split. Make sure you can see app cards before moving to the next step. With the recent apps visible, long press the app card or tap the three-dot menu to choose split screen. This triggers Redmi 9 multi-window mode. Next, pick the second app from the recent list or open the app drawer and select it. Android places it in the other pane. You can drag the divider to resize both panes for comfort. Also, keep in mind portrait orientation stacks apps. Landscape gives side-by-side, so choose based on what you're doing. To finish, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to close one app, or tap Home to exit Split screen entirely. If you can't activate Split, make sure multi-window is enabled in settings and that both apps support it. Updating MIUI and the apps often fixes compatibility. If the UI glitches, force stop the apps, clear the recent apps cache, or reboot your phone. This resolves most hiccups so you can retry the steps smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.